Okay, so you see how one of the hammers is missing? Well, I I screwed the hammer off, and well, I lost it when I took the movement out to see what the problem was. So I haven't found it yet, but it fell on the floor, I think. But you can see the problem is that you see right there, right? It'll take a while, but you might be able to see that this clock does not work at all. Like, as you can see, well, the gears won't turn for some reason, and so that's why this clock doesn't work. Another thing that's been happening is the reason why I removed that hammer is to see if it was the problem why this thing wouldn't strike. But yeah, only one hammer of both of these, only this one will strike. You might not know that, and you might be able to see that that is actually goes back in there, but you might be able to see it doesn't have a hammer at the side because, it's because I, removed the hammer. I didn't have any reason to, except for seeing if it had something to do with this. But yeah, but it didn't, so well, anyways, this is another movement. Hope you enjoyed.